Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving us the opportunity to present our research today. We are from Group 4, and today we would like to present our research, and title is Improve Student Speaking and Writing Skill Through Picture-Based Activity SD Negeri Tugu 04. Our presentation will cover the background of the study, research question, research objective, theoretical framework analysis and discussion, classroom action, research, micro teaching process, and finally the conclusion. So without further ado, let's move the background of the study. Before we begin, let me introduce our group members. These are the members of our group, and the next slide is background of study. Now I would like to explain the background of our study. English is one the most important subject because it helps students develop for language skill like speaking, writing, reading, and listening. However, based on our classroom at SD Negeri Tugu 04, many fifth grade students still had difficulty in speaking and writing English. Most students had limited vocabulary like confidence when speaking English and found it difficult to express their ideas in simple sentence. In addition, the learning media used the classroom was not interesting enough to motivate students. We to use picture-based activity because picture can help students understand vocabulary more easily, generate in ideas, and improve both speaking and writing English. Limited vocabulary and low self-confidence prevents students from communicating effectively. Therefore, we went to find learning strategy that could help students improve thus thus to improve important language skill. And the slide 5 is research object and problem found. Research object. The research was with grade 5 student at SD Negeri Tugu 04. We choose this class because many students were slide 5 is research object and problem found. Research object. The research was with grade 5 student at SD Negeri Tugu 04. We choose this class because many students were still less active during English lesson and had difficult producing simple spoken and writing English sentence. And the problem found is based on our observation, we found several problems. First, many students were afraid of making mistakes when speaking English. Second, their vocabulary mastery was still limited. And third is they found it difficult to develop ideas and complete sentence. In addition, the learning media used in class was limited and less. As a result, student motivation to learn English was still quite low. Thank you. This research question. Next, I would like to explain the research question of this study. This research focus on four main questions. The first question is how picture can improve student speaking skill. The second question, how picture can improve student writing skill. Third is how students respond to the use of picture as a learning medium. And the last is whether picture can increase student participation and motivation during English learning activity. And the next is description of research object. This research was confident in grade 5 SD Negeri Tugu 04 with different level of English. During this research, we use several visual learning media such as animal flashcard, worksheet, a laptop, LCD projector, screen, whiteboard, and markers. We choose this media because visual materials can attract student attention, increase their motivation, and make vocabulary easier to understand. In addition, picture and voice card help students generate ideas more easily when speaking and writing in English. And the next slide is, and the benefit is this benefit provides several benefits for students. First, picture make vocabulary easier to understand. Second, students become more confident when speaking English. Third, students are able to write simple English sentences more easily. And the benefit for teacher is for teacher or an alternative teaching strategy. Visual media can increase student and make classroom activity more interactive. It can also serve as useful. Overall alternative teaching strategy, visual media can make classroom activity more interactive. And the next is theoretical framework. Let's move to theoretical framework. The study is based on the assumption the picture-based activity can improve students' speaking and writing skill. Picture provide visual stimuli that help students understand vocabulary, ideas, increase participation, and build confidence when using English. Also support this idea by showing that visual media such as picture and flashcard can improve vocabulary, mystery speaking performance, and classroom participation. The next picture-based activity. Picture-based activity are learning activity that use picture at the main teaching media. Picture helps students understand vocabulary, connect ideas, and remember know words more easily. They also make learning more interesting and enjoyable because students clear visual support. In addition, flashcards can improve vocabulary, mystery speaking performance, and classroom participation and student confidence. And the speaking skill. Speaking skill is the ability to express ideas, opinion, and information orally. According to Brown, speaking involves several important aspects, including vocabulary, pronunciation, and however, many elementary school students still face challenge in speaking English. They use a have limited vocabulary, pronunciation difficult, grammatical error, and low confidence. And the next is writing skill. Writing skill is the ability to express idea through feeling and writing from to write effectively. Suffi- suff- The right student need vocabulary, good sentence, and the ability to organize ideas. Many students find writing difficult because they do not know what to write. In the case, picture become very helpful because they provide visual inspiration and make it easier for students to develop ideas and into simple English sentence. The first research question, which is how picture improve student speaking skill. Picture provide a clear visual context so student can understand vocabulary more easily and feel more confident. For example, during a lesson about kind of job, students learn different profession through picture. They identify each job and participate making simple sentences such as she is a teacher or he is a doctor. In the description animals lesson, students use flashcards to describe animals by mention the color, body part, or characteristic. Because they could see the picture direct, they found it's easier to express their ideas. And the question two is improve student writing skill. The second is picture help student generate ideas before they start writing. Instead of thinking about what to write, students simply observe to the picture and describe what they see. During the lesson, students word vocabulary and simple sentence related to jobs and animals. Because the picture clearly saw the topic, students were able to organize their ideas more easily. And the next slide is what were the student response. Overall, students saw very positive response. They became more enthusiastic and paid more attention during the lesson. Teacher flashcard and video made the classroom atmosphere more interesting. Students also enjoy participating in classroom discussion, answering questions, and completing learning activity. And the question for a can teacher increase participation and motivation? Based on observation, the answer is yes. Students become more activity during classroom activity. The answer question mention vocabulary, participate in guessing games, work together in groups, and complete work with enthusiasm. Next, student work individual in pairs in group. They discuss vocabulary, share ideas, and participate in making simple sentence together. Then the evaluation at the end, students were enthusiastic in the activity. Some students still need more practice in pronunciation and grammar. And the next is introduction. In the second meeting, the topic change describing animals. Total physical response or TPR and counseling learning. The lessons start with greetings, prayer, attendance checking, and short discussion about animal. Like what animals do you know? Which animal is your favorite? Um, Students learn vocabulary related to animals, name, colors, body part size, and habitats. It's big, it's brown, it has four legs. And then to make a lesson more enjoyable, the teacher organized who I am guessing game using picture of animals. Student guess the animal based on clue and complete individual worksheet related to animal description. And this discussion, they exchange ideas, answer questions, and describe language together. And the evolution is the result is enggak tahu. The student become more enthusiastic and actively involved during the lesson. Although some students still experience difficulty with pronouns and vocabulary, returns their overall speaking and writing performance improve. And thank you so much for your attention and for listening of presentation. We hope this presentation have provided a clear understand of how picture-based activity can improve student speaking and writing skills.